Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to export all of the material textures from any of the 3D avatar in your Character Creator 4.2 in just one click. So now I'm going to show you a demo. This is the CC4 Camilla. Check the materials here. You can see for Camilla, you have so many of the meshes, and each of the meshes it have the materials. And for each of the materials, it contains the base color, the bump or normal map, the AO map, metallic map, etc. You can see so many meshes with so many materials textures of the material texture images. How to export everything in just one click. It is pretty simple. The first step, just create a new folder on your desktop. Name it as Camilla Material. So now open. Then, in your Character Creator 4, under the material, go to the top. This is the top row. You should be able to see this. Click here, Save All Object Textures. Then, choose the folder Camilla, the Camilla material. Select the folder. Now, just check the folder. Check the folder here, Camilla materials, the Camilla roots. You can see for every materials, for every mesh, it already exported all of the materials from there. Now you can see this is the eye, the t-shirts, all of the materials already exported out. So actually you already exported all of the materials, just a single click. And in this tutorial, I already show you how to export all the materials in one click for any of the 3D avatar in your Character Creator 4.22. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorials, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time when I publish a new video tutorials or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing. See you.